So, I'm having a hell of a time pedaling this. I have one of those extended cranks on it to clear the exhaust and all that, which works out great. I really like it. So, they come with these freaking sprockets like this, and they have a 36 tooth, and I can't find it anywhere. It's been out of stock for, I don't know, over a year. I got this 44 tooth, which is just a pain in the ass to pedal. So what we're gonna do is I cut it off. I'm gonna use the hub, and I'm gonna drill out a pattern in it for a motorized bicycle sprocket. And I'm either gonna put a 32 tooth, 30 tooth, I have a couple of them, on it, and then redo it. I'll have to cut the teeth pattern down a little, fit the chain, but yeah, that's a beast to pedal. So we're gonna try this, see how it works. Alright, so I got a carbide cutter in. We're gonna cut one of these hardened sprockets, this 32 tooth, and I'm gonna cut it down to fit the bicycle chain. Alright, so I got the smaller chain profile cut. Nice. So that looks good. Alright. So we're gonna drill the whole pattern now in the little adapter, and we'll see how this works. Here we're at. I'm gonna go put this back on the bike, and we'll see how it works. Alright guys, so that's it. That's the finished product. It's a heck of a lot smaller. So now we'll have a lot lower gear range to pedal this easier, I hope. Anyways, we'll give it a try and see how this works out. And I could always change the gears to different motorized bike sprockets. So anyways, alright, peace out.